So Patrick at Rusolut showed me a cool trick where you can view pseudo SLC memory. Pseudo SLC memory is emulated SLC memory that controllers store firmware and system tables in. So to view pseudo SLC memory, you can divide the chunk size by the page size with an output count of 3. So if you look at offset number 0, it's empty. If you look at offset number 1, it's empty. But if you look at offset number 2, it has information in it. So now if we copy the XOR over to offset number 2, we can see the unencrypted data.